Hello and welcome to our last Google search video of the series. In this video, we're going to talk about optimizing your Google search using search tactics that really work. All right, let's get started. Welcome back. And now we're going to learn how to use strategies to optimize your search results on Google. Our first strategy is to search for an exact phrase, term, or quote by using quotation marks. Let's do this by putting in a quote. To do this, we're going to use quotations, and we're going to look up an old Yoda saying from Star Wars. Our results show a variety of different sources of Yoda's quote, "Do or do not." Strategy number 2, exclude a term from your search results. To do this, type in a search. We'll try best electric cars. But we want to exclude the cars from this year. So we're going to put minus 2022. Press enter. And as you see, the results are 2021 and earlier. Strategy number 3 is to search for phrases with missing words by adding an asterisk in its place. To do this, we're going to look for the old movie Gone with the Wind, but we can't quite remember the last word. So we'll say gone with the, and then we're going to add an asterisk. And the result comes up with Gone with the Wind film, and anything that could be close to that. In Google search strategy number 4, we're going to perform a reverse Google image search. To do this, type in the URL images.google.com. You'll be brought to this site, and then select the camera. You can either paste an image URL or upload an image that you have. We're going to go ahead and find an image URL. All you need to do is find an image, right-click, copy image address, go back to Google Images, paste the link, search image, and then you'll receive information and websites similar to the image you posted. In search strategy number 5, we're going to search in a specific website. How do you do this? You put in your search term, then cite colon the URL you want. So in this situation, we're going to put in block scoring URL colon and then the actual URL site. I'm going to paste that. Brings me to the website. It deals specifically with site scoring. If I want to get even further, I can do Control F, put in block scoring, and it will bring me to the 3 different locations where this term is referenced. And now that brings us to search strategy number 6. We're going to search for a specific file type. These could include PDF, PowerPoints, Docs, and spreadsheets, or Excel spreadsheets. What you need to do is type in the search term, then file type, colon, PDF. So let's apply this. We're going to type in clarinet fingerings, file type, colon, space PDF. And now we have different types of clarinet fingering charts in PDF form. Let's recap the 6 recommended strategies for optimizing your Google search. Number 1, search your term/quote with parentheses surrounding it. Number 2, exclude a term from your search results by adding the minus symbol after your search term and adding the word you want to omit from your search. Number 3, Search for phrases with missing words by adding an asterisk in its place. Number 4, perform a reverse Google image search. Number 5, search in a specific website, input your search term, then cite, and the specific URL you want to search from. Number 6, search for a specific file type. Put in your search term, file type, then the file type you want to use, such as a PDF, PPT, DOC, or XLS. Thank you so much for joining us on our Google Search mini-series tutorial. Have a great day, everyone, and see you next time.